Hi you guys. So today I am doing a tree ring pour on an old canvas. I'm sorry I don't feel very well today, so I'm literally forcing myself to get up and do this today. Dylan is bringing me in some fresh paint water. I'm sorry you guys, I look terrible, but it's because I don't feel well, but I'm trying to just be in the enemy's face because I have been in bed all day and I haven't felt like doing anything, but I just really wanted to paint. And so let me go over really quick the colors I'm using. Put the lids on while this is Montmartre Phthalo Blue, which is one of my favorite blues. This is Montmartre Burnt Sienna. Montmartre Titanium White. This is Deco Art Metallic Antique Copper. Absolutely gorgeous. Montmartre Brilliant Red, which I need the lid for. I think it's you. Yep. Then I have Montmartre Ultramarine Blue, another gorgeous color. Saks Golden Yellow. There's the lid for that. And I ended up leaving out that, but those are my color choices. This is what my cup looks like right now. This is a 16-ounce cup, and this is a 16 by 20 canvas. I'm going to just do a straight pour, straight down, and we'll see what we get. I'm a little nervous because I don't feel good, and my hand's a little shaky, but we'll see what we get. Okay, now it's starting to look like a tree ring pour. I have to go a little bit faster than most people because my hand has a hard time staying steady because of the pain, and I have a hard time telling you while I'm doing this, but I'll explain in a moment. Don't you break flow. I'm coming down the canvas because it's a rectangle, so Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm holding it this long. This is really starting to hurt, but I'm going to go a little bit faster to try to get this done. I'm digging the white stripe. And I forgot to put gloves on. And you want to try to catch it. Look at the inside of the cup, you guys. Look at how amazing that design is. I don't know if you can look at that. Is that not stunning or what? Like, I just want to peel off the inside of the design. It's so pretty. But okay, I'm going to grab gloves really quick and put them on. Here, I'll pause you. Okay, now I got my gloves on. I wanted to make sure. I almost didn't know how to do that. So now I'm gonna add a little more white around the edges here, just to make sure I have enough paint. I'm sure I've got more than enough, but I'm overly cautious. And since I'm so close to this corner, I'm gonna take it down and then bring it back. Bring the paint back to the center of the canvas, and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit to this one. Okay, bring it back. Yeah, I've got probably way more paint than I need on here. Just kind of a bummer because I don't know, I don't understand. I went by someone else's, what they said. I'm really loving this yellow on this end. I don't want to take that over, but I'm gonna have to. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go over the edges. Bring the paint back to the center. I'm sorry if you guys can't see it. I'm gonna go back down and get this side now. Try to get it over the side as well. There we go, back. Bring the weight of the paint back to the center, and I'm gonna stretch this down and bring this side over here. And then we're gonna come down here. Yeah, there is a lot of paint on this canvas. I don't know what the deal is. When I listen to other people tell what to use, it's always off. When I go with my instincts, I'm usually right on. I'm digging the blue and the white, so I'm definitely not going to take that off. I want to come back over here and take a little bit of that off, and then come back. As a matter of fact, I'm going to let the red go over the edge because I'm really loving the red. Look at that design, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do the torch now a little bit so that I pop any bubbles and see what happens with it. But this is, wow, stunningly beautiful. I like to even do the edges because sometimes I get these really beautiful cells right on the edges that just look gorgeous. Okay, now that I've got that done, I think I've still got maybe too much paint on here, so I think I'm gonna bring it down because I love the red. Okay, hold on, there's something in my where's my tweezers? Something's sticking in here. There we go. Sometimes the little clumps of paints get through and you can't see it until you start moving it around. Okay, let's get back to stretching this down. Oh my gosh, the color is extraordinary. I'm trying to think of which side I want to go off of. Okay, it's been lately, you guys, that I do pours and everything I pour when I'm doing a video comes out terrible. This is the first piece that I've done that I am just so happy with how it came out. Oh my gosh, I am loving the bright, vibrant colors of this. It's really, really stunning. I'm gonna torch again. And just pray that this does not crack. Lord, please do not let this paint crack. I'm hoping I do not have too much on here. I'm gonna try and bring just a little bit down over here, which is, I'm hoping does not mess up this composition too much. But I don't want the paint to crack. I don't want the painting to crack, so I have to, as much as I don't want to move that white, I actually really like the white, but I'm concerned that it's going to damage the painting as a whole, because what's the point of having it if you can't, if the whole thing cracks? It's like, and I really liked the way it looked prior. Like, look it on my fingers. Look at that beautiful paint. Is just, oh my gosh. It's like I want to roll around in it. But I'm not going to do that because it'd just be a huge waste of paint. But, you know. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else? I'm trying to think if I've got enough of the weight off of this. I'm trying to feel like there's still paint in the center, but I'm trying to see which way would be better to go. Down or... There we go. I think that's the last little bit of paint that I need to take off, and I actually like. I actually really like how what the navy did right here in this spot. And I like that more of the cinnamons came through up here at the top. I hope that you guys can see how absolutely stunning this is. And I'm going to pause you for a second, clean my hands, and then I'll show you the end result. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to take you off the clip. I hope I don't mess up the video, and I'm going to take you down and show you this amazing piece. Now I've got to get way down here so I can see what you guys see. Oh my gosh, this is like one of my favorite pieces that I've done in a while. I absolutely love. Now I'm gonna have a hard time getting back up. Sorry about the film, but look at that, baby. Oh my gosh. I can't see what I'm doing, you guys, so. But okay, I hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. What I was going to tell you is that, let me get you on so you can see the painting while I'm explaining. If you could pray for me, I would really appreciate it, because the pain has moved in my body to a new location, which means it's really hitting me hard. For 14 years, the majority of the pain was in my legs, and now it is moving up to my upper body, my arms. Of course, now that I'm painting, it's trying to stop me from being able to do that, and I'm in tremendous pain in my head and in my arms, in my back, and if you could pray for me, I would really appreciate it. But let's just take you guys in. Look at those little cells. There's a beautiful little cell there, but I hope you guys can see it. But I love you, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.